Discover the intricate world of snake processing, where tradition and modern techniques blend to create unique products. It's a journey of precision and care, from selecting the right snakes to delivering the final product. So, how do they do it? The journey begins with selecting the right snakes. This choice is based on the species, health, and size of the snakes. Commonly processed species include pythons, cobras, and rattlesnakes, each offering unique meat qualities. Experts inspect the snakes to ensure they are healthy and free from diseases. The selection process also considers the environment where the snakes were sourced, prioritizing sustainable and ethical practices. By starting with healthy, well-sourced snakes, the foundation is set for high-quality meat that meets consumer expectations. Once the right snakes are selected, the next step is harvesting and handling. Snakes are captured using humane and safe methods to minimize stress and injury. Skilled workers, trained in handling reptiles, play a crucial role in this stage. They use specialized tools and techniques to ensure the snakes are managed carefully and safely. After capture, the snakes are placed in temperature-controlled containers to preserve their condition and transported to the processing facility. Transporting the snakes in a temperature-regulated environment helps maintain their health and quality. It also minimizes stress, which is important for both the welfare of the snakes and the quality of the meat. Upon arrival at the facility, the snakes are kept in controlled conditions until they are ready for processing. This careful handling and transportation process reduces the risk of contamination and ensures the snakes are in optimal condition for the next stages. Proper handling during this stage is not only essential for ensuring high-quality meat, but also for avoiding any potential health risks associated with improper handling. The emphasis on humane treatment and careful management reflects the commitment to quality and safety throughout the snake processing journey. By ensuring the snakes are handled with care and transported in the best conditions, the foundation is set for producing safe, high-quality snake meat products. At the processing facility, the snakes undergo a carefully managed slaughtering and cleaning process. Humane euthanasia methods are used to ensure the snakes are handled respectfully and with minimal stress. Once euthanized, the snakes are skinned and gutted. The skins are often preserved for use in the fashion industry, adding value to the process, while the internal organs are safely discarded. After skinning, the meat undergoes thorough cleaning to remove any impurities. This step is crucial to ensure the meat is safe for consumption and meets high-quality standards. The cleaning process involves washing the meat multiple times under controlled conditions to eliminate any contaminants. Skilled workers meticulously handle this process to maintain hygiene and preserve the integrity of the meat. This stage demands precision and adherence to strict hygiene protocols. By maintaining a clean environment and following meticulous procedures, the facility ensures the snake meat is of the highest quality. Proper slaughtering and cleaning not only enhance the safety of the meat, but also prepare it for further processing and packaging. The commitment to humane treatment and rigorous cleaning reflects the industry's dedication to producing safe and premium quality snake meat products. This careful approach sets the foundation for the subsequent stages of processing, ensuring the final product is both safe and delicious for consumers. Once cleaned, the snake meat undergoes processing. The meat is cut into various portions, such as steaks, fillets, and chunks, depending on the final product. The meat may be marinated, smoked, or cooked, enhancing its flavor and texture. Some factories also produce snake meat sausages and jerky. The processing methods are carefully controlled to preserve the meat's natural flavors and nutritional value. This stage transforms the raw meat into versatile products ready for packaging. Quality control is a fundamental part of the snake processing journey, ensuring that every step meets the highest standards. Each batch of meat is subject to rigorous inspections to verify uniformity in size, color, and texture. Experienced inspectors assess the meat's appearance, while skilled tasters evaluate its flavor and tenderness to ensure it aligns with quality expectations. Advanced laboratory tests are conducted to detect any pathogens, contaminants, and verify proper nutrient levels. These tests are crucial for ensuring the meat is safe for consumption. The lab technicians use state-of-the-art equipment to analyze samples from each batch, checking for harmful bacteria and ensuring the meat is nutritionally sound. Quality control checks are not limited to the final product. Continuous monitoring occurs at every stage of processing, from slaughtering and cleaning to packaging. This constant vigilance helps identify and rectify any issues early, preventing compromised meat from reaching consumers. The commitment to quality and safety involves maintaining a clean and sanitized processing environment. Workers adhere to strict hygiene protocols, wearing protective gear and regularly sanitizing equipment. This meticulous attention to detail ensures the meat remains safe and high quality throughout the processing journey. By implementing these rigorous quality control measures, the facility guarantees that only the finest snake meat reaches the market. This dedication to safety and quality provides consumers with a product that is not only delicious, but also safe to eat, fostering trust and satisfaction. Packaging is the final step before distribution. The processed snake meat is measured and placed into vacuum-sealed bags or containers. This prevents air and contaminants from affecting the product. The packaging is done in a controlled environment to ensure hygiene and safety. Each package is labeled with important information, such as the type of product, production date, and storage instructions. Eco-friendly options using recyclable or biodegradable materials are also available. Proper packaging maintains the meat's freshness and quality until it reaches the consumer's table. Once packaged, the snake meat is ready for shipping and distribution. The containers are transported to warehouses and distribution centers, where they are stored until they are shipped to retailers and customers. Efficient logistics ensure that the meat reaches its destination quickly and in optimal condition. Temperature-controlled transportation prevents any degradation of the product during transit. Retailers then stock the meat on shelves, making it readily available to consumers. The entire shipping and distribution process is designed to maintain the quality and freshness of the meat, ensuring that customers receive a product that meets their expectations. Finally, the processed snake meat reaches consumers through various retail channels, including grocery stores, specialty markets, and online platforms. Customers can choose from a variety of products, each offering unique flavors and uses. The packaging provides clear information on the product, making it easy for consumers to select and enjoy their meat. Whether used in exotic dishes, traditional recipes, or as a novelty, processed snake meat offers a versatile and unique option for adding flavor and nutrition to meals. The entire production process, from selection to consumer, ensures that the final product is safe, high quality, and enjoyable. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from select snakes to the processed meat products we enjoy. This process artfully combines tradition with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished around the world. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.